Hello guys, if you're trying to learn how to do the Showtime Kick in UFC 6 and you can't get it to trigger properly, here's exactly how it works. The Showtime Kick isn't one of the hardest moves in the game, but it's also not something that activates every single attempt, especially in online fights. Timing and positioning matter a lot here. If the setup isn't correct, the game will usually throw a different kick instead. But before that, you need to make sure the fighter you're using has the move available. So if the move isn't working, your fighter may simply not have it, and to check the move, we need to firstly pause our game, then go to view moves. So here's what you need to do. First, your opponent needs to be backed up against the cage. You also need to be close enough to the cage yourself for the move to register. For this example, Max Holloway is in orthodox stance. That means your right leg, the back leg should be the one closest to the cage. Once you are set up, on PlayStation, hold L1 and R1, then tap circle. On Xbox, hold LB and RB, then tap B. If the position and timing are correct, you will perform the Showtime Kick. I'll show it one more time. Make sure your right leg is closest to the cage, then press L1 plus R1 plus circle on PlayStation or LB plus RB plus B on Xbox. Now let's go over southpaw stance because this is where most people get confused. The same idea applies, but the input changes. In southpaw stance, your left leg should now be the leg closest to the cage. Then press L1 plus R1 plus cross on PlayStation or LB plus RB plus A on Xbox and you'll perform the Showtime Kick. Keep in mind, this move does not trigger every time. Even if you are pressing the correct buttons, positioning, timing, spacing and how close you are to the cage all affect whether the game recognizes the Showtime Kick or throws another strike instead. Once you get the positioning down, it becomes much easier to land consistently. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.